My name's Ali. I'm from Jim's Blind Cleaning and Repairs, Northcote. It's my 8th year, going on 9. I was working in a manufacturing factory, manufacturing blinds. The owner wanted me to take a pay cut and look for different options, and this came up. And yeah, I've been doing that ever since. The decision in the beginning was pretty rough because it's a fair bit of money. But okay, like every business, this is a business, yeah. So going into it, you need a mindset of, yes, I'm going into a business, and like every business, it needs attention, and you need to be patient and set it up. But after you set it up and you get your clients and all good, well, it turns out to be, in my opinion, it was perfect for me, and I love it. I love that I can not go to work tomorrow if I don't want to, and I love making the money. The money is pretty good. Well, what have I done? In the beginning, I used to go around to apartments and put my card into mailboxes. I would walk, park my car in one of the streets, and I would walk through every real estate agent and give my card. In the beginning, in the first month or so, I handed out about 500 cards. And yeah, it takes time. So after the initial building up your business period, after that, it worked out very well for me. I'm very pleased and very happy, alhamdulillah. Typical work week looks like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday busy, Friday lazy, Saturday lazy, Sunday off. The support from my franchisor was pretty good. He's pretty easy to get along with. He's pretty, you can talk to him, he's available. If he's not, he calls you back straight away. He's pretty good. We repair blinds, we clean blinds, we supply new blinds, and we supply curtains as well and repair. Well, I would suggest not to do it, because people, when they decide to clean their blinds, they make a mess of it, and then they end up buying new blinds. You know, it works out for us, but a bit more expensive for them. In my opinion, if the fabric's not too stained and it's not ripped, torn, well, repairing is a cheaper option. Well, at the moment, it's roller blinds, and roller blinds being the cheapest option. I have roller blinds in my own house. Roller blinds is the cheapest option, and that's the trend at the moment. Some people that are willing to spend a bit more extra money, they go for the wave fold shears. Well, the people at the call center will greet them and pass them to us, depending on their territory. And we'll go out, measure and quote, or we'll have a look at the blinds for cleaning and quote for that, or the repairs as well. Yeah, first the quote comes. Well, at the moment, we do our warranty, and it's 12 months for us. Not for the cleaning, but for the repairs, and the new blinds is 12 months. And I think Jim has a warranty himself as well. If you're willing to put the effort in and build up your business, I would say go for it. But you need to put the effort in. To request a free quote, either call us on 131546 or go online jims.net.